Good morning. It is 12:30, November 26th today. 23rd, November 23rd, and we got a little skiff of snow outside. They're calling for a few centimeters. We got maybe one on the ground out here. So we're gonna get at it and see if we can't do something about it. So I'll see you guys at the shop. Okay, so got to the shop here. There's a couple centimeters out there. I've got carpet I'm gonna put in here, so I'm gonna cut it around the little centerpiece there and get these stupid mats out of here. So I'm gonna set up this camera somewhere and we'll get this rug cut. Cut that center section out there. Let's see if how that goes there. Okay. We are getting there. Getting there. Okay, cut that a little bit there. Now we gotta get this cut. I don't have my head mount with me right now, so you're gonna have to live with it there. Sorry, pal. Sorry about that there, folks. There we go. Now I know what you're thinking. The loader's for snow plowing, and when you're plowing snow, your boots get full of snow, and this is a rubber mat under here. Well, the rubber mat is just gonna get full of water. So if we put a little carpet there, it's just a cheap doormat carpet from Walmart. It soaks up the water and the salt and all the yucky shit, so it's not in there all soaking wet. And once it's gross and yucky and icky, throw it out and cut a new one. Chain back in here. You gotta have a chain because eventually you're gonna get stuck. When that happens, we don't want to be stuck. Gloves, coffee. Gotta have coffee. I'm gonna throw the rest of my shit in the loader, mount up the camera, and we'll get going. Okay, camera mounted. This thing started. Lights, camera, action. Let's get the door open. This truck too close here. For that door to close, and then we are gonna get out of here. used to the gravel in that parking lot. That's okay. Now I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse, and we'll see you when we get there. Well, battery died about halfway here, so that kind of sucks. Barely anything here. What the heck? Oh my God. Another plow ordered for this loader, but it hasn't shown up yet. So I got this pusher box on rent just in case we got some snow before mine showed up. And thank God I actually did, because otherwise we wouldn't have had a plow today, which this doesn't really have to be plowed anyways. Not very much here. It's still nice to get out and show the customers that we are doing something with their money. All customers want to make sure that their money is being well spent. Also helps that today's a Sunday, so it's low stress. Only about half our crap has to be actually plowed today, because it's going to be, I think, plus 3 degrees. Plus 3 or plus 4 or something today, so all this is gonna melt. You guys can see that over to the side there. There's a transport parked right where my snow pile goes. Which, you know, for anybody that plows snow, you know that that is as typical as she gets. It's November. They weren't really calling for this snow. We haven't got any snow yet, so they don't really know that snow pile goes there, you know, so I'll let it slide this time. Actually do this in Warrens, and we do that ESO as well. The guy at the ESO though typically wants the basic 2-inch service, which pretty typical up here, but so I don't think we're gonna plow that today. I'm just going to be doing the Tims and then probably the hotel and maybe the condos. Backtrack some stuff out of the corner in here. I guess it's not the worst. At least you can backtrack with it. Scraping pretty okay. It's pretty warm out. I think it's only like -1 or something. If that. It might be 0 degrees up by now. This way then. We will go this way then. I'm sure I'm the only one out plowing this one. But I was just itching to get out. So, figured why not? It's a Sunday. I got nothing better going on. Might as well get out there, make some money. Whoa. Oh, I hit the joystick the wrong way. But, you know what? You'll have that on them bigger jobs. light got loose and is bashing on the window. Those lights aren't even hooked up. I haven't had a chance to hook them up yet. So they're just kind of there for show. I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take that off because I sure as hell ain't listening to that all fucking night. Problem solved. Problem solved. That light was very loose. I wouldn't doubt it if that light was about to fall off. Ooh. Parking brake. Done. Next. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys on time lapse again, and we'll see you at the next one.